Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna guide you step by step to how you can delete all your Instagram messages at once. So let's get started. First, let me open my Instagram. This is a test account that I'm gonna use today to show you how you can delete chats. First, open your messages. Now you can see three dots on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on that. Now tap on select chats. Now you can select as many chats as you want. I am selecting some of these here. Now in the bottom right corner, you can see delete button in red. Tap on that. All the selected chats have been deleted. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to subscribe the channel to support us.